Dr. Vita, and I am a natural women's health expert, best-selling author of Women's Health Guide, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Now, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tips to help with your periods and to help boost your fertility. Now, today I am going to talk to you about how you can test your ovarian reserve and egg quality from the comfort of your own home. Make sure that you comment below and tell me other topics that you want to learn about. All right, let's get right into it. So there are two excellent ways for you to know your egg quality. I have a lot of women that come to me and they'll say, well, I have PCOS, or I'm 40, or I'm 35, I'm 45. I don't know if I even have quality eggs, or I don't even know if I have any eggs left. I've had many women in their 40s ask me that question. Well, there are two main ways that we will look at egg quality. Number one, visualization is great. So if you can go in and actually get a scan to look at your ovaries, that will actually tell you the number of follicles that you have left. So you can actually even see your eggs, and then you'll get a very, very good answer that way. The main one that I'm going to talk to you about today is just a quick and dirty way that you can find out at home. You can go ahead and order this kit yourself. I don't have to order it for you. You can order it yourself. And really, within the next week and a half or so, you will know your ovarian reserve. And what this test kit does is it looks at AMH, which is a key hormone that is released whenever your eggs are maturing. So I always talk about hormones, especially if you follow this YouTube channel. I talk a lot about hormones because they really control everything. Whenever you pee on a stick to see whether or not you're pregnant, that is you looking for a particular hormone that indicates pregnancy. Whenever you pee on a stick to look at ovulation, well, that is a hormone. You're looking at a particular hormone that is released just before the egg is out and just before ovulation. So the best way for us to see what's going on in the body is to test hormones. And so AMH is that key one for my ladies who want to test their ovarian reserve and egg quality. Now, this kit that I'm going to link down below for you to buy is one where you can just prick just a small amount of blood. You can do this yourself. You don't need a big needle, a big syringe. No, they include everything in the kit. You simply just prick and then you squeeze it into that tube. Bam! We are testing AMH levels. Now you just send this right back out to this company, and then within a few days they'll receive it, and then you'll have your analysis that week. Isn't that incredible? Technology is amazing. Now, okay, so who should take this test? So you definitely should take this if you have PCOS. If you have any chromosomal abnormalities like Turner syndrome, if you have Fragile X syndrome or any other genetic abnormalities, if you have endometriosis, if you have any ovarian tumors, if you've undergone chemotherapy or radiation or something that has suppressed your immune system, definitely get this test. If you have any pelvic injuries, if you have any autoimmune disorders, if you're really severely obese, I would definitely order this as soon as possible. Now, even if you don't have any of those things, but just in the back of your mind, you're like, do I have eggs? I have super irregular periods. Something just doesn't feel right. Or maybe you've been trying for a couple months and you're thinking that maybe I just don't have enough eggs. Or maybe you're that woman that's completely healthy, you have a normal cycle, but you're in your early 40s or maybe in your late 30s and you just want that peace of mind. You just want to know what your status is. I highly recommend that you get this test done. It costs next to nothing, and so you can order it, and I'll even give you a coupon code to save 20% off. Now, if you're thinking about having IVF, I highly suggest this because this will be a good indicator of how you are likely to respond to treatment. So keep that in mind, even if you don't necessarily want to conceive naturally, whatever that means. You can still order this and it will tell you some great results. Okay, so I'm going to leave everything you need down below. This is an excellent way for you to know exactly where you stand, the number of eggs that you have left within a week and a half. Isn't that amazing? So what did you think of this video? Are you gonna order the test kit? What do you think? Do you think you have enough eggs to have your baby? Do you ever doubt the number of eggs that you have? I want you to comment down below. Now, I also want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want you to like this video, and I want you to share it with others. There's so many women out there that are just haunted by this idea of whether or not they'll be able to conceive. And so this is a quick and easy way for people to have that peace of mind. All right, now once you find out that you maybe have a lower ovarian reserve than you would like, then I want you to stay tuned to this content on this channel so we can help to increase that ovarian reserve and maybe give you other methods and alternatives for conception. I also want you to visit my blog, drvitak.com/blog, and you will learn so much more on there. I have stuff for women with PCOS. I have, even if you're not trying to conceive, stuff for women that have irregular periods. I have ways to boost fertility. Visit that blog for so many more resources. All right, to everlasting health. Bye-bye.